Hello, this is Mark from I Am Organic Gardening, located in Zone 6B, and welcome to part 3 of breaking the #1 rule, planting directly into wood chips. So look what has been accomplished in 30 days. It's been exactly 30 days now, 4 weeks, since I planted directly into wood chips about 2 inches deep. The wood chips are about, say, anywhere from 8 to 10 inches deep total depth before you hit the soil. Now, this beautiful green foliage that we're seeing here of these sugar snap peas are doing immensely well. Now, there's a lot more time to go so we can fully understand if we can directly plant into wood chips in the future. Now, again, these wood chips have been on the ground for about 2.5 years, but so far things are looking very, very well. So let's take a quick look at the rest of the row here. And they're all about the same. And this goes for about 50 feet. So now let's dig up the roots of this small plant here and see how things are going. There's 2 of them actually right here. Now I have 3 good examples here of how our sugar snap peas are doing. Now they're looking very well in our root systems, and I have no problem seeing that those root systems are going to go out at least probably 5 to 6 inches in every direction still. I want to thank you very much for watching today's video. It is always my pleasure to share these experiences with you. I love learning things and experimenting with things to get a better understanding how nature works, and I hope you enjoy the video just as much as I do making it for you. Now, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment below, and if you can, please share and like this video, and I will see you with another update in 2 weeks. Thanks.